everyone, this is Cindy from the CNC Machine Factory. Today we will make samples for customer by this machine. This machine is 630 MSY, turning milling machine with Y-axis and the double spindle. Let's start. The sample already finished. Let's have a check. We can see that the finish is very smooth. There are two inclined holes needed in one straight line, so it's necessary to use double spindle to machine it to achieve proper positioning. If you have similar products, double spindle turning milling machine will be very suitable for you. And don't forget to leave a message to me. I will send you more details.